Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Berwyn, local and long-distance movers near me. Your new job requires you to drive to a new place with your family, with the added responsibility of finding a good school for your kids. Explore the stock market at the new place. You also need to ensure safe transportation of your belongings. You would be glad to know that we provide insurance for all your belongings. So if there are any damages to your belongings during the transportation, we will take care of it and get it rectified. When you move out of Berwyn Heights, you can contact 3 Movers to handle your moving needs. We have also been in the moving business for 20 years and have helped clients move local, long distance, and even international. Why pack your weekends with moving and packing things when you can hire professional services to handle your shifting needs? 3 Movers has experienced professionals to disassemble the furniture and pack them into boxes. We also help in unloading the material and settling up your new home. We also actively communicate with you throughout the journey. You can also select a single-day move or one-truck delivery for local moving. We will also reach your new place, pack, and load the material. Then we'll meet you at the scheduled time at the new location with all your materials safely transported. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Berwyn moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.